Okay, let's get started. Let's call this the first question.
Please shoot.
Since you guys are playing terrorists in the film, so we'll keep it in that zone. What is your favorite weapon that you carry on you? Like a weapon of mass destruction or any kind of destruction?
It would be my bazooka. It would be, yeah.
What do you mean your bazooka?
My bazooka, I use it on a lot of people.
Yeah?
Yeah. How many victims do you has this bazooka claimed?
102, 103, 104, 105. Too many, I've lost the count.
I thought you were going to say like...
That I would carry with me more like the chemical weapon.
Wow, that sounds
Like-
dangerous.
Yeah, like gas or something. And there have been few victims. Okay, I'm not going to get into that right now, but yeah.
It's a covert
Yeah,
weapon,
it's
huh?
covert, like few people and no one knows.
How do you detonate this one?
Sorry?
How do you detonate this one?
Hajmola.
If there was, what's your favorite target? Like, is it a person or place?
I think a film critic who gives a bad review, I'm sure there must be something below your check. Karan.
XX.
I have read a couple of your reviews.
I hope you read yours, the ones I wrote about you.
I think my favorite target would be my co-actors who cut my scenes and my lines, and on the edit cut my scenes
No,
further.
first of all, I didn't
and
cut your scenes
try
or
to
your
be,
lines.
try
Let
to
me
Not
just
how it
try
works,
to
Pulkit.
try to show their weight, throw around their weight of being a senior, and also the directors who agree to them.
Let me just be very clear. I didn't cut any of your lines. I didn't cut any of your scenes. You didn't have any scenes to start with.
I had one scene, my introduction.
Oh, that's what you call an introduction?
That.
Well,
That's also gone now.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Am I there in the film yet? Now, at least? Little bit?
I think you'll be happy with the amounts that you're there. Don't worry.
Great.
I think we've bored you enough. I think we'll take your questions, yeah? You guys want to ask anything to each other? Or?
No, not to each other, but considering that, how complimentary you have been towards us and our films, why did you decide to cast us?
If you make your worst enemy your best friend, you have nothing more to lose, I guess.
Okay, fair enough.
He's talking about you.
Yeah, fine. You want to ask
For
him a
me, you wrote a good review. Even
Really?
in Bittu Boss, yeah.
That's true, actually.
question? What's that?
He said, I'm the only actor to whom he has dedicated a paragraph, like, of good words. What did you write? I'm fab. I'm amazing.
Hopefully I didn't use that language. I wouldn't be much of a critic. Pulkit's fab. End of review.
No, I guess if I ever have a question within this session, I'll ask you. But please, if anyone has
Yeah,
any
guys,
questions,
let's get
we're here to
started.
answer. I don't think nowadays we live in a situation where जहाँ co-actors dominate करते हैं और scenes काटते हैं और actually no, because I've been part of many multi-starrers and I've worked with a lot of senior actors, चाहे वो संजय दत्त हो, अजय हो, अक्षय हो, सुनील शेट्टी.
Joking. I don't know to films. As a filmmaker, you are responsible for many people, your cast, your crew, your audience. So, and you're just trying to sort of, make the best you can for all of them. As a film critic, it's essentially a review is nothing but a reflection of your.
If I'm friendly with
The
him,
peace, talking about peace, the peace is not possible until and unless the extremist quality, the extremists are not been eradicated from both the countries. What do you want to say about that?
See, I feel that, yes, I mean, he does have a point in what he's trying to say. I can understand where he's coming from. But I guess this extremist feeling is in the mindset. And that feeling within our mindset needs to be eradicated, I feel, for any kind of harmony within relationships of within our country or, for that matter, neighboring countries or world over. And I also... I also think that, you know, when we talk about countries as large as India, yes, largely we are a peace-loving nation, but eventually there will be some people who will think of taking advantage of a situation in their benefit and try to create, I hope in an ideal situation, such feelings get eradicated.
Guide people on the name of faith and misuse people's belief in their own faith. And I think we have to be smart enough, we have to be understanding enough that what we are following is based on a strong foundation of love. And every religion talks about love. We all know that. Obviously, some weaknesses in somebody's life, some sort of things that are missing, some wants in the life, make people to decide otherwise. But I'm happy if a film like Bangistan could serve the purpose of making people understand that this is what goes around us. We all talk about this, we all read about this in the papers, and we should be smart enough to understand that every religion talks the same language.